An RV is designed to meet the needs of living away from home. It is a vehicle equipped with a dedicated kitchen, toilet, bedroom, and bathroom. However, the bulky size and high cost of RVs, along with road limitations and parking restrictions, make them far less practical in everyday use. Small cars are generally around 4 meters in length and 1.8 meters in height, which allows them easy access to indoor parking structures and makes them ideal for city travel. Their compact size makes them easy to maneuver and park without hassle. As a result, they are commonly used for daily commuting and are often the first choice for rental cars on overseas business trips. So the question is it possible to bring RV life into a small car? That's exactly what this video sets out to explore. As a daily commuter, a small car already fulfills basic transportation and cargo needs. But if you convert it into a camper for holidays, it must also be able to quickly return to everyday use. That leads to several key considerations. 1. Maintain the original interior and retain the passenger seats. Extreme modifications can affect the original interior design and even the vehicle's functionality, which is why I always advise against major structural changes. Keeping the passenger seat maintains comfort within the limited interior space and allows the car to remain functional when carrying passengers. 2. Seek out the largest space in the car. Although seats in small cars cannot be removed easily, you can still free up space by adjusting seat positions, folding seats, removing accessories, or even removing the spare tire and replacing it with a tire repair kit. 3. All Vanlife equipment should be easy to carry and classified. Streamlining your gear prevents unnecessary clutter and wasted space. Using storage boxes helps visually organize and categorize items, making them easy to access and store at any time, while keeping the car clean, efficient, and functional. We'll explain how these storage boxes are organized in detail in a later video. Next, I'll show you how I integrate RV functionality into my car. Unlike an RV, a minivan does not have fixed areas assigned to specific functions. The same space must adapt to different situations. While this requires careful planning, it allows a small car to perform all the essential functions of an RV. Common small cars include compact cars and small to mid-size SUVs. To test this concept, I used a relatively small Honda Fit for the 3D modeling. I believe that if this space can accommodate all these functions, the same approach can be applied to many other vehicles as well. Using 6 compact multifunctional storage boxes, along with essential equipment such as a toilet bathing setup and a multifunctional mattress, combined with flexible seating configurations, this setup maximizes the use of interior space. Here's a 3D demonstration showing each function inside the car. Vanlife isn't just about sleeping, it's also about reading, relaxing, and even working inside the vehicle. By moving the passenger seat forward, it can recline partially flat, making it easier to access storage boxes from the rear. Place 2 boxes in the footwell in front of the passenger seat and you instantly have a table. You can sit comfortably in the passenger seat to read, watch a movie, work, or even enjoy a meal. The remaining 4 boxes are arranged facing forward. Open the specially designed box with an integrated sink to create a kitchen counter. These storage boxes can hold a 24V electric kettle, electric cooker, pots, pans, and an electric stove, allowing safe cooking using electricity. A battery stored in the final box supplies power, enabling basic cooking functions inside the car. When you don't feel like eating takeout, you can stop by a supermarket and easily reheat or cook a simple meal. You can also boil water and enjoy a hot cup of coffee anytime, making life in the car far more comfortable. While traveling, you may encounter places without bathroom facilities. In those situations, a foldable bathing tub can be prepared and hung behind the seat, ready for emergencies and without taking up much space. To shower, simply unfold the tub and use a pressurized spray can. Showering inside a small car is absolutely possible. When it's time to sleep at night, remove the storage boxes and fold down the other side of the passenger seat. Use a backpack to fill the footwell of the front seat, leveling the sleeping surface. Unroll the mattress and let it self-inflate, creating a comfortable sleeping area for a good night's rest. To avoid the inconvenience and awkwardness of searching for public toilets, carry a foldable toilet that takes up minimal space and fits under the passenger seat. When no restroom is nearby or during heavy rain, simply pull it out and unfold it in front of the passenger seat. After use, remove the plastic bag, tie it securely to contain odors, and dispose of it properly when possible. Even though some items may not be used often, having them available in the car can be invaluable in unexpected situations, providing peace of mind and allowing you to travel freely. This is how I make use of the space in my small car. If you have any helpful tips I may have missed, feel free to share them with me. To test the feasibility of the 3D simulation and prepare for an oversized road trip, I rented a Toyota Yaris in Taiwan through iRent. I chose the Toyota Yaris because it's one of the best-selling small cars, easy to rent and relatively affordable. The first step after renting a car is to check whether the space is sufficient. I packed a tent along with a folding table and chairs, then added 6 storage boxes, a bathing tub, pillow, travel backpack, and mattress, with the folding toilet placed under the passenger seat. By moving the front seat forward, the passenger seat can be flattened on one side. Different functions can be achieved through simple reconfigurations. 2 boxes stacked in the footwell serve as a table, suitable for work or leisure. Move the storage box containing the water system forward, open the box with the integrated sink, and connect the water pump to the water tank to create a portable water system. With a DC electric cooker connected to the battery, cooking rice inside the car becomes easy. If you want to shower, unfold the passenger seat and spread out the tub. Although it may feel slightly inconvenient, it becomes extremely useful when no public shower is available. When it's time to sleep, the tent, folding table, and chairs are stored in the trunk, and the floor can be leveled by laying down a carpet. The passenger footwell is filled with a backpack, the mattress is laid out, and the pillow is placed, resulting in a surprisingly comfortable sleeping setup, reconfigured as tables or seating. Once everything is ready, it's time to drive outdoors. Beyond the interior space of the car, additional private space can be created by attaching a foldable tent to the rear. The storage boxes can also be moved into the tent, reconfigured as tables or seating. Or you can turn the multifunctional mattress into a sofa, adding comfort and endless possibilities to camping with a small car. To summarize the key takeaways of converting a small car for RV-style travel: 1. Your current car is already suitable. Don't let the size of your car limit you. Even a small car can support a comfortable van life experience. Once you understand your needs and apply thoughtful design, it's never too late to upgrade. 2. One space, multiple functions. By flexibly adapting limited interior space, you can support a wide range of activities within the car. 3. Modular storage cubes. A small car doesn't allow for large fixed furniture. Using modular storage boxes lets you create tables, sofas, beds, and other functional furniture as needed. 4. The advantages of a no-build approach. A no-build setup allows easy vehicle changes, style adjustments, and saves both time and effort. With portable equipment and no permanent modifications, even rental cars can be used for road trips. You're no longer limited by hotel locations, and accommodation costs can be significantly reduced, whether it's a rental car or your own vehicle. If you're interested in van life, don't hesitate. Hit the road and start your journey.